different in implementation using the new service. And then, what is the use of any model if we cannot explain what it does, how it does, and why it does it? Well, that is what we are expected to know as a data scientist as part of the model explainer. And needless to say, we should be able to manage all the models that we have created and optimize till this particular step. Alright? And finally, once we are ready with the setup, with the right model, it is tuned and optimized, we then move on to the section of deployment and consuming the model. So while we were training and testing the model, we may do it on our local computer as well as some other smaller machine on the Azure cloud. But for production or making it live, we may need different computers or machines. And that is what this exam expects from us as part of this exam objective. Then we should also be able to deploy the model as a service on this production machine for live data as well as for the batch data. And not just the Azure Machine Learning SDK, but we should be able to do it using the Azure ML Designer. Great.